Okay. Now continue on from the right needle. I have marked them all green. This would be the hole that is closest to you while sitting in front of the machine. Okay. Through the inside as well. And since this is the far right needle, we will be working on it on the third guide in. Okay. Now what you'll do is you'll send the right needle through the guide on the furthest right on the needle clamp. Okay. Pull it through. Okay. And then you thread it from the front to back. Okay. Now the last piece of thread we'll do is for the bottom looper. Same concept. You'll take it from the cone to the back to the front, straight down in. But in this case, different from all the other ones, when you stick it through the hole on top, you have to send it through the tube so it doesn't get tangled up with any of the other ones. Threading here is the same. Go to front, send it out through the from the back, send it back out to the front, through the hole, around the disc, out the thread guides. There's two of them over here. Make sure you get them both. You just send it through the guide over here. Make sure it's staying in between this part right here. There's another needle guide right underneath it when it comes out. And then you'll send it from the front to back. Okay. And in this case, just to make it easier, we're going to remove the knife system and show you how to thread it from here. Now from the thread guide over here, you'll send it back out from the front to the back, in between the discs again. There's one more thread guide here on this side. You want to make sure on this portion right here, you get it underneath. There's an opening over here that you can see. You have to make sure it goes in between or underneath and through the second thread guide on the other side. Okay. Now from this point, the way we have it set up right now, this is how a manual machine would be set up. Where from after going in between and through the thread guides, from here to here, it just goes direct. With an under trim unit, you'll see that there's an extra portion right here. Okay? This one usually sits right in behind this unit right here. This guide right here. So for the automatic unit, you would just feed it through the back of this portion that we just showed you earlier on the knife system, and then back out and then through the hole again. You want to make sure when you're threading the looper, when it's all ready to go, make sure you turn it so you can see the looper at the farthest point to the right. Okay. Now behind the looper there's another thread guide. Sure you pull it through, and on the front point of the looper, this is the part that's actually going to help you with making the finished stitch. There's another hole. And that's it. That's it for threading this unit for a 4-thread unit. Please check back with us again for the 5-thread attachment threading, and it'll be up shortly. Thank you.